Virgo reading August 2025. What does the tarot have in store for Virgo? Virgo, get ready. This week isn't just another chapter in your life. It could be the turning point you've been waiting for and perhaps never even realized was coming. The cards reveal a rare energy, as if the universe is conspiring to align the hands of destiny in your favor. Let's draw the cards for the Virgo spiritual reading. The Spirit of the Badger, Spirit of the Vulture, Ace of Swords, Six of Cups, Seven of Cups, Moon, Six of Swords, Page of Pentacles, Two of Cups, Three of Cups, Justice, Queen of Wands, Seven of Swords, the Chariot, Eight of Cups, Nine of Cups, Nine of Wands, the Devil, Five of Wands, Three of Pentacles, Death, Hanged Man, Seven of Wands, Ten of Cups, King of Swords, Four of Pentacles. The spirit of the badger appears to whisper, or rather, roar in your ear. Be fearless, be bold, and right behind. The spirit of the vulture adds, nothing is wasted. This combination is unprompted. It carries a clear message. No matter what has come before, every experience, every challenge, even every failure, can now become fuel for your victory. We are facing a unique moment, fueled by Neptune's retrograde in Pisces. It's as if doors that were once locked tightly are now ajar, waiting for you to find the courage to push them. It's time to attempt what seemed impossible. But here's the secret. The chance may not come again anytime soon. The power of clarity. Ace of Swords, Six of Cups, and Seven of Cups. The Ace of Swords points its finger at you and says, total focus. Wanting isn't enough. You need to want it with intensity and direction. Imagine an arrow, it only hits its target when fired accurately. This card also speaks of cutting what weighs you down, letting go of what no longer serves you, even if it's something or someone you're used to. The Six of Cups appears as an unexpected gift, a memory, a reconciliation, or an opportunity that seems to come from another life. And the Seven of Cups, it's the menu of options the universe places before you. But be careful. It's not about choosing everything. It's about choosing what best aligns with your heart and your vision for the future. Freeing patterns, the moon, and cutting invisible ties. The moon doesn't come to confuse, but to reveal. It illuminates old beliefs that no longer protect you. In fact, they limit you. Perhaps you've been repeating the same phrases to yourself for years. I don't have time. I don't have the resources. It's not for me. The Ace of Swords asks you to nip these phrases in the bud. Remember, often, the most difficult enemy to overcome is your own mind. By identifying and dissolving self-sabotaging patterns, especially in financial or emotional matters, you open space for new possibilities, the right path, confirmed victories. The Six of Cups together with the Six of Swords forms an unmistakable signal. You are on the right path. You may not see the whole map yet, but each step is already leading you to calmer waters. The Ace of Swords, once again, reinforces that victory is more than possible, it's probable, as long as you maintain clarity and discipline. Imagine yourself at the top of a mountain, sword raised, looking back and realizing that all the challenges that seemed insurmountable are behind you. Love and alliances, Page of Pentacles and Two of Cups. If you're seeking a relationship, pay attention. The Page of Pentacles and the Two of Cups announce new connections that can develop into something solid. There's a strong presence of Earth or Scorpio energy. For those already in a relationship, this is a time to strengthen bonds and learn something new together. And for those seeking business partnerships, the Two of Cups also speaks of encounters that can change your professional future. The Seven of Cups, here, appears as a reminder. You don't have just one chance, you have many. But you must choose the one that resonates with your soul. Rewards from the past, Three of Cups, Justice, and the gift of the universe. The Three of Cups is shared joy, celebration, and reunions. But, along with justice, it takes on a karmic weight. What you sowed is now returning as a harvest. This means that long-standing efforts, often unrecognized at the time, will finally receive their due reward, whether in your personal or professional life. You are attracting people who want the best for you and who have the power to open doors. The universe is rewarding you for your integrity, healing, and inspiration. Call of the Muse and Healing the Heart. These oracle cards are an invitation to look within. Healing the heart doesn't mean forgetting past pains, but using them as inspiration to create something new. The call of the Muse can come in the form of an idea, a project, or even an insight that changes your outlook on life. And here's a secret. The more you heal, the more opportunities appear before you. Strategy and movement. 6 of Swords, 7 of Swords, and the Chariot. The Chariot is the card of victory with direction, but the 7 of Swords reminds you, win with intelligence, not just strength. Evaluate strategies, discover new methods, study the competition. The Page of Pentacles reinforces that this is the perfect time to learn something that will increase your value in the market or in your field. Standing out isn't optional, it's necessary. Eclipses and letting go. 8 of Cups and 9 of Cups. The 8 of Cups appears as a farewell, not to everything, but to that which no longer contributes to your evolution. And the important detail. This card features an eclipse, a symbol of profound and irreversible changes. By letting go of what weighs you down, the 9 of Cups appears as the fulfillment of a wish. It's no exaggeration to say that by letting go of what doesn't serve you, you create space for what you've always wanted. Rebirth and limits. Phoenix rising and divine infinity. You are reborn, Virgo. The phoenix burns away what doesn't serve you and rises stronger. But to maintain this new level, you will need to establish clear boundaries with others and with yourself. The 2 of Cups reinforces once again. New partnerships, new loves, or a reconnection with your own essence are on the way. Protection against toxic energies. Devil, 9 of Wands, and 5 of Wands. The Devil here is a warning. Beware of people from your past who want to pull you back into old patterns. The 9 of Wands calls for resilience, and the 5 of Wands indicates competition. The tip is simple. Don't expose your strategies too early. Save your ideas until they're ready to be shared. Clarity and transformation. Death, Moon, and Hanged Man. This trio is powerful. Death closes a cycle. The Moon reveals illusions. The Hanged Man brings the new perspective that was missing. Ask yourself, what do I need to change to open the doors of my desire? By answering honestly, you'll find the connecting thread to unlock what was stuck. Recognition and justice. October and Chariot. Between now and October, opportunities will arise as tests. The Judge's gavel and the Justice card indicate that what is rightfully yours is coming. The King of Swords closes the reading with authority. Stay firm, objective, and true to your principles. Virgo, this week is a portal. You can step through it and find a completely new landscape, or you can stay where you are, watching the doors slowly close. The choice is yours. The universe has already made it clear. Nothing you've experienced was in vain. Everything was preparing you for now. And perhaps, when you look back, you'll realize that this was the moment your life truly began to change. Virgo, the universe is whispering to you, and if you listen carefully, you'll realize this isn't just another message. It's a calling. The cards don't lie. You're on the threshold of a powerful transformation. Your destiny is aligned, the doors are ajar, and the choice is yours. Remember, the Badger asks you for courage. The Vulture reminds you that nothing was in vain. And justice confirms what's yours is coming. It could be love, a breakthrough, a financial breakthrough, or that insight you've been missing to take the next step. Don't let fear, doubt, or old patterns stop you from embracing this energy. The time is now. Seize every sign, every opportunity, every invitation from the universe. Comment here, which card resonated most with you? What will you do differently starting today? Your intuition already knows the answer. If this content resonated with you, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe so you don't miss the next readings. Thank you for trusting the tarot as your guide. And remember, sometimes, life only changes when we decide to change with it. Until next time, and may the stars light your path.